Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about a fun activity that your child can not only enjoy but also learn from. This dental health activity gets them excited about brushing their teeth and is also good for their fine motor skills. So let's begin. To make this activity, you will need disposable white spoons which I broke from their necks and discarded the handles. Then I melted the edges with the help of a candle to make them smoother. I made a total of 7 such pieces. After that, I cut a circle from a thick cardboard, then drew a face on it and colored it to make it even more fun. Then I glued the spoon tips that we had made earlier as white teeth inside the mouth. And there you have it. Your dental activity is all ready. You'll also need a dry erase marker and a cloth to erase. But I used a toothbrush instead since it's better for your kids' fine motor skills. My daughter loved this activity. You can draw funny germs on the teeth and let your child brush them away. Or even write alphabets and tell them to erase a certain letter, turning it into a ABCs activity. Another simpler alternative is that you can draw funny faces with exposed teeth on a piece of paper, then place it in a plastic sleeve or laminate it, and repeat the same activity. Here are some more ideas which can help you get your kids excited about maintaining a good dental hygiene and also improve their fine motor skills. Subscribe to the channel if you liked the video and I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, take care, be yourself and Allah Hafiz.